Acqua di Giò Profumo. What a classic. Bottle is a little nasty, so let's give it a little cleaning alcohol here, since we're going to be listing this one as well on eBay. But let me tell you about this fragrance. And first of all, let me know if you had this fragrance before, if you tried it, and how you liked it in the comments below. This thing, again, has been launched by my buddy Alberto Morillas in 2015. And if you open it up, give it a good spray. Definitely, I would say it's like a dive, like a refreshing dive into a deep, elegant sea. Like I said, Alberto made this one, and it's a new twist on the classic Acqua di Gio from the 90s. I'll talk about this later. Picture this. You start with a splash of sea notes and a zesty burst of bergamot. Then it gets even better with a heart of rosemary, sage, and geranium. Kind of like a walk through an herb garden by the ocean, to put it together, you know, not losing the plot here. And in the end, there's a warm, mysterious mix of incense and patchouli. Totally captivating. That's why it's a very popular scent in general. I think it's perfect for any guy out there, no matter what occasion. Obviously, this is something that goes a little bit better during warm times in the sun, in your workday. But some people wear it out at night. It definitely adds the extra bit of class and style to whatever you're wearing. It's versatile, fresh, and it has this confident vibe that is hard to beat. It's definitely a modern classic, I would say. I like the smell. I wouldn't wear it necessarily, but the design, like this said, I mean, the bottle is cool. It's sleek, black. Looks okay on the shelf. It's mostly full. And it comes in very different sizes. And guess what? It's not just me liking it. This fragrance generally gets almost perfect scores all over the internet. It's definitely something that people know. It's a hit in the fragrance world, and trust me, it's more than just a cologne. It's an experience. It's a hallmark, as they say. So why not give it a try? I'll link below the auction that I have this under on eBay, and I'll also link the price on Amazon so you can check it out. With that, I wish you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.